Hi friends. So hope you all are doing well. So can you guess what I am going to do today? Yes, you have guessed it right. I am going to make patterns in the 3x3. So first is the checkerboard pattern. So here is the checkerboard pattern. It's like a real checkerboard. So it is called the checkerboard pattern. So next is the box pattern. So it is the box pattern. It is like a box, so it is called the box pattern. And the white side also looks like a Japanese flag. So that's all. Stay tuned for our next video. And in the next video, I am going to show how to solve a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Thank you.